Good evening, y'all. It's Privateer. Second video of the day. Minotaur Trading Company. I'm going to do an unboxing. It's the Aries, and I believe it's going to be the Mountain Man Stew is the other thing I ordered. I can cut the box, but I can't exactly open it while filming. So, give me a second. All right, I'm going to pause it and I'll be right back. Okay. Hold on. Yep, you're going to have to look at the table for a second. Okay. Hopefully the secondary meal I ordered is inside of here. So far it's just the Aries. Bill. Or shipping label. Alright, let's get all that out of their way. Okay, and the Aries came with the Minotaur Trading Company drawstring pouch, which is there. Sorry, I'm doing all this on the phone again. Let's see. We have, I think this would be the kind of like the Moorpack. For some reason I'm blanking out on what it's called right now. Y'all are gonna have to forgive me for that. But plenty of sugar. We'll get to that in a minute. Okay. We have all-day snack corn nuts, tortillas, or as some people like to say, the tortillas. The Chipotle tortillas. What's that? White wheat snack bread. All day snack Cajun roasted almonds. All day snack chocolate covered espresso beans. That's probably going to start to fall sometime soon. Cherry drink mix. Tropical Blast drink mix. And 2 more cherry drink mixes. Instant milk. Oh, everything's branded Aries too. I like that. Yeah, instant milk. All day snack corn nuts. Chocolate muesli with milk. Steak and macaroni and cheese sauce. Okay, there we go. Tropical Blast drink mix. Kung Pao chicken. Aries survival kit. I'm going to have to look that up because I don't want to break this open just yet. But yeah, I'll look that up and get back to you on it. Aries Spice Kit. Now the spices, I know I can open that up, and that's no big deal. That's the Spice Kit. We'll get to that in a minute. All day snack classic trail mix. Another classic trail mix. Instant milk. Icelandic meat stew. And I'm not gonna lie, man, this thing is a frickin' sugar fest and a half, but daggone if I don't like it. The chocolate mousse. Chocolate cheesecake, that's another one of your desserts. This is what I've been waiting for. I've been waiting for the whole thing, but this is what I've been looking forward to. Root beer float, dessert beverage. Quick on that one, if y'all haven't seen it, Caitlin Strain has a video. I'm not sure if she's done the video yet, but she is going to take the root beer float and put seltzer water in it to make it taste, to make it drink more, or, how would it drink more like a real root beer float. Got the Minotaur water filtration straw. And tortillas. 2 more tropical blast drink mixes. 2 more tortillas. Bob's breakfast bowl. Ham and cheese with hash browns and potatoes. I was about to say tomatoes. There we go. Chili mac. Arizona chili with beans. Biscuits with sausage and country gravy. The Minotaur Trading Company, what is that? I want to say survival spork, I think it's called. I'm not real sure. It's been a minute since I've looked it up, but this is the spork that in here is a knife. Oh, yep, that's going to fall back, but that's okay. The Mountain Man stew, this is one of the other things I was really looking forward to because that just sounded so good. It's Elk Venison and Buffalo. Ooh, come on, open up. And it has Chula, two Chula hot sauces. I'm going to set that to the other side. Mountain Man stew with the hardtack. And if y'all have not had this yet, let it soak. Not for a little while, let it soak for a long while. Because it's here, listen. Don't try and get your chicklets to eat on that. Cornbread stuffing, ooh, yeah. Mixed with the stew. All day snack, chocolate covered sunflower seeds. Those I haven't had from Minotaur yet, but they sound and like they're gonna taste good. I got another root beer float dessert beverage. And, I got cool. Well, the accessory kit there. There's the accessory kit for that. Comes with sugar, wipe. What is that? Coffee. What is that one? Oh, sorry, y'all. Salt, pepper. Is that the wipe? Hold on a second. I'll pause it. I'll be right back. Okay. It comes with, this is a wet nap. You got the spoon and the Taster Choice instant coffee. There's your wet nap. Pack of Smarties. I don't know why, but Smarties are always a good thing. Thing of salt, thing of pepper, thing of sugar, and a non-dairy creamer. Let me lay that back down in there. I'll be right back. Okay, this was your meal enhancement pack, or meal enhancement kit, sorry. It's got it's got relish in it, soy sauce, salt, pepper, sugars. There are the dental floss picks. I got there, yeah, dental floss picks. And let's see, it's coffee in there. There's also these, which is pretty cool. I want to say there's like 4 of these maybe, and probably more, but I'm just kind of going through it quick. I unfortunately ate some Chinese food today that I didn't realize it had MSG in it, so I'm dealing with a twisted stomach and a head that's pounding. Other cool thing about this, I did not know this before. I don't know if anybody's ever shown it. If they did, and I haven't, well, hold on, look, check it out. See right there? Watch this. It's not a super loud whistle, but it's a whistle nonetheless. So, yeah, that's pretty badass. It's here, I'll show you. It's the spork on this end, obviously. You pull off the cover and you got your knife there. Little bottle opener. Put that back in there so I don't dehab myself. If my belly gets to feeling better tonight, I'm gonna eat that. Because that I really have been waiting on that. I've been wanting that. The survival kit, you know what? I did not bother to look it up, but I'm going to open it anyway, so give me a second, I'll be right back. Okay, the survival kit comes with, which this is really cool, I'm glad. Like about a week and a half ago or so, I saw something online, $2 for the little pocket-sized Fresnel lenses. It was probably about 3 weeks ago now. Now that I think about it. It was $2, so I ordered 3 of them. Supposed to be here in 5 days. It never showed up. And every time I call the people who I bought them from, I got nothing. So this actually comes in pretty handy. Not to mention, I mean, it's kind of thin, but as long as you're not banging it around and stuff like that, you got it safe. It's a pocket Fresnel lens, which is awesome. So I got that. A ferro rod. Little razor knife type of pocket knife. There. Let's not cut ourselves, huh? And then a thing of fire tinder, and it feels like, it doesn't really smell like it's got anything on it, but it feels like it's got something on it. So, yeah, and with the other thing, what I like about this that I'm noticing is it's a screw cap style. It's not just a push it on, push it off. So it's got a bit of a screw cap to it, which is cool because that way, if it gets knocked around in your pocket or your bag or something, those push on, push offs can actually come off. I've had one come off before, but this one's a screw top, so you can bang around all day long and nothing's coming out of it. And I love the fact that it's in a tin like that, because even when you're done, when you have no more of this fire tinder, you can collect dry leaves, birch bark, cedar bark, stuff like that. Now, in the Spice Kit, we have lime pepper, everything bagel, lemon pepper, and granulated garlic. That is the Aries 72-hour kit, along with the Mountain Man stew. Is that it? Is that correct? Yes, the Mountain Man stew meal. And again, if y'all gonna buy some freeze-dried stuff, man, you buy it from Minotaur, buy it from Bob and Zach and Justin and all of them, man. These guys are solid guys, man. I mean, again, like I said before in my other video, a company that calls you directly and tells you, they're handling it for you and they apologize for the inconvenience. I've never had that from anybody else. One of the other cool things about it, for some people that might watch and say, oh, freeze-dried food's a little more expensive. The one thing you'll get from freeze-dried food, right? This is 2021. The inspection date on this stuff is 2031. But with it being freeze-dried food can last many, many, many years. Some freeze-dried foods have been proven to last decades, multiple decades. Anyway, it's Privateer. Y'all have a blessed day.